Hi everyone, my name is Aylar Atadurdeva and I'm a third-year student at the University of Kansas. Today I would like to share some tips and tricks on how to maximize your opportunities while you're studying in the United States. If you are pursuing your education in the US, chances are you're already a very hardworking student who cares about their education. In today's video, I'm going to share a few more tricks that you can use to maximize your opportunities during your stay in the United States. My first advice to students that will be pursuing their undergraduate or graduate degrees in the United States would be to join clubs. Not only will you find people who share your values, who are excited about the same things that you're excited about and make friends, you would also gain some valuable skills that you can put on your resume or the skills that will help you get the next opportunity you're looking forward to. Additionally, if your university has an option of joining university honors or completing your degree with honors, I would strongly encourage you to explore those possibilities. My second advice might seem odd, as the system of education in our countries might be slightly different, but I strongly encourage you to seek out your university professor's office hours and go and chat with them. I know in Turkmenistan it is very difficult to get to know your professors. It's somewhat frowned upon if you want to build a personal relationship with them. In the United States, on the other hand, your university professors are there to fully support you, your education, your growth, and your opportunities. So they will be happy to chat with you. A good way to do this would be just stop by their office hours whenever they hold them, introduce yourself to the professor, share about what are things that you're looking forward to learning in their class, and how in general their class would help with your academic goals, with your career goals, and you will be surprised about a lot of opportunities that this simple relationship may bring you. My third advice is also a very great financial advice. I suggest that you reach out to your university's senate or to your university's clubs organization, because they will be something similar to that in the Office of Student Life. A lot of times these organizations will have funding that will help you offset some of the costs of great opportunities that you might explore. For example, your student council might have funding to let you go to a conference that you've been dreaming of attending since a while. Or if you'd like to present at a conference, your university might provide resources and financial support for you to do so without having much financial burden. In conclusion, while getting a degree in the US is already worthwhile and very important by itself, you can always maximize your opportunities by simply reaching out. Don't ever hesitate to just send an email saying, "Hi, I'm looking for this opportunity and I think you can help me," or going to university club meetings, or chatting with people, or talking to your professors. You never know how these things might open up new doors for you, the doors that you might not even have known before and you did not even know that it was possible. So in addition, just reach out, be brave, be polite, and be gentle. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know in the comments. I would also love to hear any tips and tricks that you might want to share with prospective students. Till next time, bye!